That's precisely why I'm here. We can't help but notice your dog cries a lot.
I know. My ex moved out and left his dog. Trust me, I wish there was something I could do.
You could, take him inside.
Walter's an outside dog.
Hey, you put Walter inside, Walter's an inside dog.
He doesn't like being inside.